Let's make stovetop one-pot cheesy meatball pasta under 45 minutes of our time from the scratch.
Born hungry is delicious.
My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. If you have penne pasta, if you have ground beef, cheese, onion, jalapeno, and some home ingredients like a chili paste, tomato sauce, garlic, and salt, pepper, you can make this delicious recipe. Let's get into it. 1 onion for the 1 lb of the grass-fed ground beef. Make small cubes out of it. Add it in your food processor. 1 jalapeno, 6 cloves of fresh garlic. Let's process this. Here is the processed onion, jalapeno, and garlic. Squeeze out the water from the hand and add the onion in here. This is the water we are left with. We don't need that. 85-15 is the ratio. 85 is the lean, 15 is the fat. Here is 1 lb mincemeat. Let's season our meatballs now. Half tablespoon of the salt, 1/4 tablespoon of the red chili powder, 1/2 tablespoon of the black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of the fenugreek leaves. This will give the whole flavor to your meatball. For the binding, I'm using cornstarch. You can use eggs in there if you want, but I'll suggest use cornstarch. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Let's turn on our stove, put it onto medium flame, non-stick pot. Olive oil, 1/2 baking cup of it. Let it heat up 300 to 350 our meatballs. Let's mix it up. After mixing it for 5 minutes, we are giant meatball. Let's make tiny meatballs out of it now. Stuff it with some mozzarella cheese and shallow fry it at least for 15 minutes. This is how I stuff mozzarella shredded cheese in my meatballs, and this is how you have to do as well. Take water in your hand, biteable size meatball, or you can go a little bit bigger, it's up to you. Flat it out, mozzarella in there, and roll it. You can use mozzarella cubes in there, it comes really nice as well. Here is our delicious cheesy meatball. Let's land it here. So we will cook these meatballs at least for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Keep rotating them so they get the crusty form from all around. This is after 15 minutes of roasting our meatballs. Don't forget, it has the cheese inside. They have the perfect crust on top, and look at the cheese, it's popping out of it. Let's season this and get ready for our pasta to get in there. Same pot. Mild chili pepper paste. We need that. 1 and 2. Tomato sauce. 1, 2, and 3. Water. 1, 2, and 3. Mix it up, and we'll bring it to boil. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the cheese popping out of it. In the sauce, add 1/2 tablespoon of the salt, or salt to taste. Here I will taste test the sauce. Italiano, Habibi, cheesy meatballs and the pasta sauce we made. Let's add the pasta straight in here. Alright, baking cup. 1, 2, and 3. 4th cup. By the measurement, it's 1 pound of the whole pasta. Forming up. Chopped basil. While we are cooking the pasta, you can add 1 tablespoon of it in here. It will make the pasta fragrant from the inside out. And put your stove on to medium, at least 200 to 250 degrees. Cover it with the lid, and I'll see you after 10 minutes. This is 45 minutes later since we started the process. We took a little bit breaks here and there just because for the video, but once you're making this recipe at home, your time frame will be 45 minutes. Here's the reality check. Wow. Oh my god, look at the cheese popping out from meatball. Wow. You have to make sure your pasta is tender. If you feel your pasta is not tender, you can add a little bit more water and cook it. For me, right there, dish this out. There you go. Let's drizzle some. You can use dry or fresh basil for it. Let's do a taste test. Here's the moment of truth. Look at this. Wow. And the pasta on top? Really good. Okay, here's the bite. Yes, sir. Imagine this bite. Cheesy meatballs with delicious pasta. Steaming hot. Premium bite. Wonderful. If you love pasta, try this cheesy meatball pasta. You're gonna be loving it. Enjoy this recipe, subscribe the channel, join the Hungry Army, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. You can make this recipe easily in the kitchen just by yourself. Cheesy meatball pasta. 1 pound of the ground beef, 1 pound of the pasta, onion, garlic, yeah, cheese, yum. Wow.